as we found out, it was signed a year later on there. And it just happened that the Beatles signed the wall at the Ed Sullivan studio right before they went on and played live. So you've got these great large autographs, plus each one of them did a cartoon as well. That started the whole mania throughout the world. Dozens and dozens of toys came out.
I know. I mean, it totally just counts.
This would probably go into an art.
Yeah. A gym, so.
Yeah, so the bluesy songs wouldn't really work.
Celebrity typewriters, especially well-known writers, famous writers like Wells was, typewriters, there's a dedicated collector base, and they usually sell very well and are very highly sought after by a variety of collectors.
We're good so far. Be doing Final Four stories. I don't know if I'll be able to cover the concert.